Hello guys and welcome to another Carsexposed video. Today we're gonna help a friend of mine. Clearly doesn't watch my videos because I just done a rear electronic parking brake job. And look what I've got here. I've got a Volkswagen Passat electronic parking brake, obviously, and I'm gonna show you another option. You don't need to spend thousands on a scan tool. I'm gonna show you another tool that you can do this. All right, so this is the Autel Maxiest EST201. I believe I got this tool back in 2009, so around 10 years now. That's what we're going to use to activate electronic parking brake service mode instead of the Maxicom. All right, so ignition on. All the way, ignition on. We will release the parking brake. Press on the brake. Okay, now with the Maxiest, we go to, let me go back here just to show you. You've got the options of electronic parking brake, Audi A8, or the Volkswagen Group cars and Mercedes as well. So option 2, this is a Volkswagen Passat 2011, isn't it, Rob? Yeah, 2011. Deactivate brakes. There we go. You can probably hear that. Okay, so all done. We've got the sign for the brake there. It's disabled, the activation done. So he can work on the brake now. Push the caliper back. So this again is one of those calipers with the motor within a caliper. Hello mate. See? Alright, so job done again. Yeah. All good. You'll finish this side as well, yeah?
Yeah. I was on there. Did you block it?
So now we're gonna calibrate the brakes again. Yeah, close the brake fluids cap. Right, so the fluid cap, brake fluid cap is back on. So that's what we've got on the dash at the moment. Now we're gonna go activate the brake again. So number 4, and that should calibrate the brake. Press yes. I believe you could hear that. Yeah, it's all done. Activation done. Press any key and gonna apply the brake. So that's it, job done. No errors, no faults apart from the TPMS, which is on because the module, you need to get on the module. So that's it guys, just to show that you don't need to spend thousands of pounds on a scanner to take care of your electronic parking brake. You do have options like this Autel Maxiest EST201. Like I said, I purchased about 10 years ago. Cost me £45, which is really reasonable, and comes with a CD and a USB cable so you can update the tool. So I thought it was a good opportunity to do this video. I wasn't planning to do a video, but when my friend called me up having trouble winding the piston back, I thought it was a good opportunity to show. So I brought this tool and it works perfectly. You can read as well, so if you have any issues on your electronic parking brake, it will give you codes and you can clear it as well. So it's a great little tool. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.